In this video, I plan to set up the printer, to print wirelessly. To do this, I will set up a static IP address, configure the wireless setup, using the browser. Join the SSID, and print wirelessly to the printer. The first part of the setup, is on the control panel of the printer. This setup works on most HP printers that are similar. Activate the setup menu. Use the left and right arrows to navigate the menu. Select OK when you arrive at Network Setup. Select OK. Select TCP/IP. Select OK. Select Manual. Select OK. Next, using the left and right arrows, set the static IP to 192.168.2.180. After selecting 192, select OK to move to 168, select OK to move to 2, followed by 180 and OK. Next, set up the subnet mask. 255.255.255.0. Next, set up the default gateway, the IP address of your router. Select OK, to complete setup of static IP address. We have set up the static IP, the printer can now be accessed, using your browser. After that, the wireless protocols can be set up. Connect one end of the Ethernet cable to the printer, and the other end to the router. Next, open a browser on a computer connected to the same network. Type in the static IP address that you assign to the printer in the address bar. Now, you are in the printer configuration page. Next, go to the Networking tab, followed by Wireless Configuration. Enable wireless configuration. Click Apply. Here, you can see the different wireless networks available. We will connect to the network called Press. First, we will select the network Press. This network will now show in the area named. Enter a network name. Select the authentication, in my case WPA2. Enter the passphrase for your network. Click Apply. Next, you disconnect the Ethernet cable from the printer. And then enable wireless. If the wireless enabled status is not updated, re-enable it and click Apply. Once again, after disconnecting the Ethernet cable, it should be enabled now. This means, you are all set to print wirelessly. In order to do that, you can add this printer as a network printer to your computer. To print wirelessly from an iOS device, make sure you enable Bonjour service under AirPrint. To set up your printer, in Windows 10, go to Settings, Devices, Printers, and Scanners. Select, the printer that I want, isn't here. In the next tab, select, the printer that I need, is not listed. Next, select, add a printer using TCP/IP. Now, enter the IP address of your printer. Select the driver, from the list named Hewlett-Packard. Select the printer driver, and follow the prompts. If you don't see the driver in the list, do a Windows update, or download the driver from the HP website. Link provided in the description. Finally, test your printer by printing a test page. And that's how you can set up your printer to print wirelessly. Next, we will set up the printer on a Mac. Select Settings, followed by Printers and Scanners. Unlock to make changes, use the admin username and password. Select Plus to add a printer. Make sure that the printer and the computer is on the same network. The printer that you just set up should show up in the dialog box. Select the printer, followed by Add. That's it, you just added the network printer to your Mac, that is connected wirelessly to the network. Now you should be able to print from a Mac, Windows PC, or iOS device wirelessly to the printer. That's it for now.